Do you want to know who from your downline is eligible for the reactivation campaign? With this short video, we'll show you where you can find those reports in your virtual office. When logged into your virtual office, you need to click onto My Organization and then Downline Viewer. In your Downline Viewer, make sure to click on Reports and choose All Accounts from the drop-down menu. Here we would like to show you an example of those brand partners who were active in July, August and September 2021, but didn't place an order from October 2021 to March 2022 to see who from your organization would qualify for the reactivation campaign. For that, please click onto Customize and choose the PV Personal Volume option. Select Is greater than or equal to and choose 1 in the last box as shown. You can adjust the month you want to see those reports for by choosing July 2021, in this case from the menu on the upper right corner, and applying the settings. Once you made sure all this is done, click onto Download Report. When downloading the report, you can adjust what you want to see on the report as shown. To find out all the qualifying brand partners for the reactivation campaign, you would need to download the report for July, August and September 2021. As you download the reports, you will obtain 3 separate reports for each month. Please combine all the data to one Excel spreadsheet so you have everything on one file. To know which month you're looking at, please add a column on the very right-hand side. You can call it Month, and add a month there. Add the name of the month to the column and be sure to do the same for each month. You can now transfer the data for August and September onto the July tab under Another. This way you will have all the data for the 3 months in one tab. All columns should match, meaning where you have the column Month, you should have July, August and September. Next to the column Month, make sure to add another one called Order Number and add 1 to the whole column. Beside the just added column Order Number, create another column which can be called Number of Consecutive Orders. For this, you will need to use the formula equals SUMIF. Make sure to highlight the entire member ID column, click on the first member ID cell in that column and highlight the entire column called Order Number. Now press Enter. Wherever you see number 3, this means that those members placed 3 consecutive orders. They had an order in July, August and September. You need to filter the way so that you see only those members who were 3. After that, download the report in your organization for those whose last order was in September 2021. Ensure you have selected March 2022 on the top right as shown, as you want to be able to see everyone who placed their last order in September 2021 at the point of March 2022. In the Excel spreadsheet, after the column called Number of Consecutive Orders, add another one which can be called Last Order Month September and use the VLOOKUP formula to see which member ID matches the data from the report you downloaded for those whose last order was in September 2021. You can do this as follows. In the column Last Order Month September, in the first cell you add equals VLOOKUP. Click on the member ID in the first cell of the member ID column, then highlight the entire member ID column on the report you downloaded for those whose last order was in September 2021, then click 1 and 0. Where you get NA, these will not be the ones you are looking for, whereas on the other hand member IDs match are the ones you need. You now have everyone who placed 3 consecutive orders in July, August and September, but didn't place any essential rewards or one-time orders from October 2021 to March 2022. These members match the criteria for the reactivation campaign Group 1. We hope this video was helpful for you. Thank you very much for watching.